Today's video is the start of something big. I made a few questionable car decisions before, but this one might top them all. I bought the cheapest 540i E39 in Norway, and it probably has more rust than paint. And it also has over 300,000 kilometers. And the best, it came with a parts car, and I paid less than $2,000. It's probably not a smart decision, but it's going to be a huge project on this channel. The one time I don't bring my sunglasses. I just bought Norway's cheapest BMW E39 540i, a 1997 model, V8, high mileage, and a lot of rust. And it was a part of a package deal. Both these cars for around $2,000. Does it sound too good to be true? Let me show you what I've got myself into. Here is how it happened. I've been working on my E39 touring project, a 523i, and needed a transmission. I found a seller offering both a parts car and this 540i, and I could not say no. So this greyish 520i will give up its transmission, and this 540i becomes a full-on channel project. This car has lived a hard life. The rust, it's impressive. Jacking points gone. Paint is ruined. And the interior is also in a pretty rough condition. But at least the car has a set of new coilovers. But the chassis is straight. The car runs, and I'm going to try to save it. So this car needs rust repair, a full body respray, suspension overhaul, except the new coilovers of course, brake system refresh, interior cleanup. We also need to go over the engine. This car probably has every check mark in the book. It's going to be a fun project. But we need to finish the 523i project first. I've never done rust or bodywork like this before, so we will learn as we go. This isn't going to be perfect, but it's going to be fun. This car is going to be a key project on this channel. I want to see how far I can bring this back on a budget, doing as much work as I can myself. And we will learn together. I'll be doing everything from welding and painting, and probably converting it to manual. If we can find the right parts later. Okay, yeah, it's pretty bad. We got a little bit of rust, as you can see. This isn't just cosmetic. This is structural. So, we will have to cut and weld and rebuild this car. Fill me out with your smile. Now the sun So, do I regret buying it? No, not yet. It's going to take a lot of time and mistakes, but if you want to see this 540i brought back to life, hit that subscribe button to follow the build. Drop a comment. Would you have bought this for $2,000 or walked away? In the next episode, we are going to be painting the brake calipers on my pink E39 Touring blue, so stay tuned for that. We are also installing some new rims.